In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text box transparency in Canva. If you've ever found yourself working on a design and needing to make your text subtly fade into the background, or want to integrate it more seamlessly with your images, transparency adjustment is the way to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to modify text transparency effortlessly and add a professional touch to your designs. Let's get started by opening your Canva design. The first thing you'll need to do is select the text box whose transparency you want to adjust. Simply click on the text and you'll see the border around it highlighted, indicating that it's been selected. This selection is crucial because all subsequent actions will be applied to this specific text element. Once you've got your text box selected, take a look at the top of your Canva interface. You're looking for an icon that resembles a checkerboard grid or a set of stacked squares. This is the transparency icon. Clicking this icon will open the transparency controls for your selected text box. When you click the transparency icon, you'll be greeted with a slider. This slider is your main tool for adjusting how transparent or opaque your text box will appear. By default, your text box has a transparency setting of 100%, meaning it's completely opaque. If you want to make the text fade into the background, slowly slide the control to the left. As you move the slider, you'll notice your text becoming more transparent. Keep an eye on your design as you adjust the slider, and stop when you reach the desired level of transparency that best suits your creative vision. A tip to consider here is that the more transparent you make your text, the more the background elements will show through. This can be particularly useful if you're layering text over detailed images, or if the background color is crucial to your design's aesthetic. Remember, transparency is all about striking the right balance, so feel free to experiment with different settings to see how it changes the overall look, and that's really all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can add a whole new dimension to your Canva designs. Adjusting transparency is a simple yet incredibly useful technique that can help your text blend beautifully with other elements in your design, enhancing professionalism and creativity without being overpowering. Now that you've learned how to adjust text box transparency in Canva, why not take a moment to try it out? Your creativity is the only limit, and as you become more comfortable with these tools, your designs will undoubtedly benefit. Thanks for following along and happy designing.